Hamilton Branch of the New Zealand China Friendship Society wish you a happy, healthy and prosperous Year of the Dog.
今晚呢，由心中友好协会汉密尔顿分会主办的新春晚会，将携心中友好协会艺术团、Hillcrest 高中艺术团、晚晴和本地演出团体给大家献上精彩的文艺演出。希望这场晚会呢，能给您和家人带来一场温馨祥和的节日氛围，也让我们海外华人在海外一样，能感受到浓浓的绵味儿。
The Hamilton Branch of the New Zealand China Friendship Society has organised this event and is hosting this concert tonight. They'll bring us wonderful performances with the New Zealand China Friendship Society Performing Arts Group, items from Hillcrest High School students and the Golden Age Group. We do hope you enjoy it.
现在呢，就由我来介绍今天来到今天晚会的各位嘉宾，请听到名字的各位嘉宾到台上来。
Now we want to introduce distinguished guests, and guests, as your name is called, would you please climb the mountain and come up onto the stage and join us on the stage, please. And we're going to ask you to say a few words each. We'll pass the microphone along the road. Members of Parliament, David Bennett, Tim McIndoe and Jamie Strange.
首先欢迎我们3位国会议员，来自国家党的 David Bennett、Tim McIndoe 和来自工党的 Jamie Strange， 欢迎 welcome。
The Deputy Mayor of Hamilton, Martin Gallagher.
让我们欢迎哈密尔顿副市长 Martin Gallagher。welcome。
Hamilton City Councillors Paula Southgate and Ziggy Henry.
我们欢迎哈密尔顿市议员 Paula Southgate 和 Ziggy Henry。
Hamilton City Council Ethnic Development Advisor Jovi Avellanosa.
让我们欢迎哈密尔顿民族事务发展顾问 Joey。
The National President of the New Zealand China Friendship Society, Dave Bromwich.
现在让我们欢迎心中友好协会总会会长 Dave Bromwich。
And the President of the Hamilton Branch of the New Zealand China Friendship Society, Justice of the Peace, Fan Yao.
现在让我们隆重欢迎心中友好协会哈密尔顿分会会长太平绅士范苗女士，欢迎。
Distinguished guests, a few words each, please.
Sheshe Richard, Daja Hao, Gonti Fachai. Good evening, everybody. I'm Tim McIndoe. I'm at the beginning of a long line. I'm going to be very, very quick, and then they all have to be shorter than me. Could I acknowledge the New Zealand China Friendship Society and thank them for their organisation of tonight's event. Thank you to everybody who is going to perform for us. Most of us have had the opportunity to attend several of these concerts before and know they're always of a very high standard. So you don't want to hear from us, you want to see and hear from them. Have a wonderful evening. Xin Yan Kuai Le.
大家好，新年快乐。Happy New Year to you all. Thank you very much for this warm welcome. It's a splendid time of year celebrating all of the wonderful Chinese culture and history that you bring to our city that we share together, Hamilton. Looking forward to the performances. Looking forward to next weekend too, with the Lantern Festival being in Garden Place, which will be fantastic. I'm sure we'll see you all there. Thank you very much.
大家好，新年快乐，恭喜发财。Just want to thank everybody for the opportunity to come along tonight, and all of us really appreciate the chance to celebrate this festival, and thank you to the organisers and all the performers that are going to be here tonight and performing. It's the year of the dog, which is the year of loyalty and man's best friend. So hopefully you all have a great year ahead where there is a lot of friendship and support, and the year of the dog comes true for you as well. And we wish you all the best, and thank you very much once again. 谢谢。
你好，大家好， My name's Jamie Strange, I'm the Labour MP. Just like to thank all the organisers of tonight's event. It's an honour to be here, for all of us to be here. On behalf of the Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern and her government, we'd like to thank all of the Chinese people living in New Zealand for the wonderful contribution that you add to our country. Wherever I go with the Prime Minister, people are always trying to name her baby. So if any of you have got any Chinese names, I can pass them on to the Prime Minister as well. And I'd just like to finish with one thing. The Labour government have always had a close connection with the Chinese community from our Labour Prime Minister Norman Kirk back in 1972. We were one of the first countries to recognise the People's Republic of China, and in 2007 we were the first country to sign a free trade agreement with the People's Republic of China under a Labour government. So we've got a proud tradition together, and long may it continue. So,
Thank you, Jamie.
Ni hao, on behalf of Mayor Andrew King, who's sorry he can't be here this evening, and the City of Hamilton and my council colleagues, of course, I'm really delighted to be here. I will note that the New Zealand-China Friendship Society was formed in 1952, when it was not a fashionable thing, and there was a lot of angst that courageous New Zealanders and courageous New Zealand Chinese we're doing a lot of work to actually build a relationship with the People's Republic of China. And 20 years later, it took 20 years for the Norman Kirk Labour government in 1972 to be one of the first Western countries to open diplomatic relations, formally recognise the People's Republic of China. And then 30 or so years later, of course, Helen Clark and carried on by the successor national government developed, of course, the free trade agreement. But I wanted, particularly with the President of the New Zealand-China Friendship Society President and the local President, I actually want to particularly acknowledge the role of the China Friendship Society in pushing for that relationship long before it was anything to do with mainstream political politics, and the great realities of this world and the wonderful Kiwis who did so much in those early years to build that relationship. And it is just wonderful to be here tonight when we can actually, if you like, celebrate the fruits of your good work. Thank you very much.
And I'm Cindy Henry, a Hamilton City West Councillor, and I'm new here and it's my first time here, and I'm really excited what I'm going to see, so I keep it brief because everybody else speaks a lot longer than me. Yeah, I just want to say thank you for the invitation, and I'm really looking forward to everything what's going to happen tonight. Cheers.
From Council, acknowledging Mialfan and the committee for the invitation, acknowledging all the guests here on stage, and looking forward to all the performances later. Kong Hei Fat Choi and Chinyan Huai Le. Thank you, Joey.
大家好，新年快乐。Acknowledging the gratitude that we've received from some of the other speakers before, I would like to suggest that what we have here tonight, and this is my third year in a row, I think, that I've attended the Spring Festival celebrations here in Hamilton, are a reflection of the ongoing role we have, and pay particular tribute to Miao Fan and her excellent committee. What I see here in this audience is an eclectic collection of Chinese people, friendly New Zealanders, young and old. And I think this is really where the relationship is based on, what it is based on, friendship. So thank you, Mao, for your excellent contribution, not only in the community, but also in community leaders, with community leaders. A high level of respect, obviously. So it just leaves me to finally say, 恭喜发财，万事如意。最好的事是过来了。祝大家狗年旺旺旺！
大家不知道 Dave Bromwich 有个中文名字叫容大伟，这个真是中国专家，汉语讲得很好。So I'd like to thank again, and this is our annual event. We would like to have to celebrate Chinese New Year with local community. And it's our great honor to organize this event. And again, thank you everybody for coming, and thanks to the huge thanks to the sponsors who without you guys and we can't have anything running. And 谢谢大家的光临，这是我们心中有协主办的1年1度的中国新年晚会，在这儿呢非常感谢大家的参与，同时呢也是非常感谢这些赞助商的这个支持。本来我们这场晚会呢有那个新西兰百花艺术团要来参与的，但是临时出了一些状况呢，所以我们今天呢是由我们心中有协艺术团为主，给大家献上一场晚会。心中有协艺术团呢，也是我们心中有协汉密尔顿分会下面一个团体。我们去年5月份才成立，还不到1年，所以大家可以看一看啊，我们都很期待看看他们的表演。Okay, sorry, I've taken it too long, and all the best, and let's say good luck to our concert. So, shall we say together, 狗年旺旺旺. Okay, let's say that together. 狗年旺旺旺.
Thanks very much for your wonderful speech, and thanks for you all best wishes for our Chinese people and for the new year as well.
Shabai, we know that 2018 is the year of the dog. Can you tell me the meaning of the year of the dog?
Sure. Actually, that's a really good question, though. It is said that a person's characteristics is decided by the animal of the birth year. So a person born in the year of the dog is more likely to be sincere, reliable, brave, intelligent, and hardworking, and always ready to help others. So it's kind of like characteristics of dog. And as Nelly said, dog is the human's best friend. So we're really looking forward to the year.
Can we ask please, who amongst us here was born in the year of the dog?
现在我们问现场在座的各位观众，有没有谁是属狗的？请举一下手好吗？属狗的，哇，很多哎！还有没有小朋友和大朋友？看一下。
Now I'd like to ask those people to come forward, please, to receive a gift.
今天我们有特别的小惊喜的礼物给大家，所以现在我们有请所有属狗的大朋友、小朋友到台上来好吗？有请各位。我们属狗的同志们都到了是吧？让我们用热烈的掌声为这些属狗的同志们祝贺一下！祝你们拿到文化的红包，祝你们新年有新的梦想，祝你们事事如意，谢谢。好，那我们现在晚会呢就要正式开始了。首先有请来自 Hillcrest 高中的爵士乐队来段劲爆的爵士开场。
The jazz band from Hillcrest High School will present 2 songs now. Bird Land by Joseph Zaramil and Sing 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 by Louis Prima. Let's welcome everyone, the jazz band from Hillcrest High School.
有请。
Now let's welcome Zhang Xiyue and others from the New Zealand China Friendship Society Performing Arts Group with the dance Winter Sweet Tears.
接下来呢，我们有请欣赏由新中有协艺术团带来的舞蹈《梅花泪》，表演者张诗月等，有请。吴月萍老师带来的女声独唱《美丽心情》。
Please welcome everybody Wu Weiping from the New Zealand China Friendship Society Performing Arts Group to perform a solo song, Beautiful Heart.
有请。
Let's enjoy now the solo piano. The song is Summer Serenade, and then Song of the Horse, presented by Wu Wanjin from Hillcrest High School.
接下来呢，请有请 Hillcrest 高中的吴婉景表演的钢琴独奏《菊次郎的夏天》和放马曲。欢迎婉景，欢迎。 高中的 Willa 带来的肚皮舞表演。
做线，抓不住什么时机，什么时机该拉远。
接下来呢，请欣赏女生二重唱《洪湖水浪打浪》，欢迎来自心中有协艺术团的吴月平和陆春花老师。高中的周千诗给我们带来古筝表演，表演曲目是《北京的金山上》。
Let's enjoy everyone a performance of the Guzheng, the Golden Mountain of Beijing, played by Zhou Qiangshi from Progress Concert.
那么接下来呢，就有请我们去年在中国新歌声新西兰赛区胜出的张思博，带给我们他的柔情演唱《月光》。
Zhang Zibo is the New Zealand winner of the Voice of China competition, and he'll present a song, Moonlight.
是什么誓言让我们欢笑？是什么距离让我们守望？是什么欲望让我们疯狂？是什么风雨让我们流浪？
团带来的舞蹈《梨花颂》，表演唱赵淑华、刘丽宇，还有张诗悦等。
Let's enjoy a dance performance by Zhang Shuyue, Sabrina, and others, and Zhao Shuhua and Li will accompany the dance with singing.
纠正一下，舞蹈是张诗悦的，演唱是赵淑华、刘丽。谢谢。
天上一只男子气。
马刀舞表演者心中有情艺术团李炳华先生。
Please welcome everyone, Li Binghua from the New Zealand China Friendship Society Performing Arts Group for a performance on the keyboard.
给我们带来太极扇表演。
Let's enjoy everyone the Tai Chi fan dance from the Hamilton Chinese Golden Age Society. Please welcome the Hamilton Chinese Golden Age Society.
心中有情合唱团带来的两首歌，打起手鼓唱起歌和友谊地久天长。
Thank you, the Hamilton Golden Age Society, and now please welcome the performance Happy Song and Drums and Hope the Friendship Lasts, Hope the Friendship Lasts by the New Zealand China Friendship Society Performing Arts Group.
好，有请我们合唱团的各位老师上台。